Hello, my name is Tomo Gonzalez, and this is the workshop video for List Your Own. We have two epic user stories. One is create RESTful actions, where we add the ability to add, edit, and delete properties, so that users can list their properties for sale, and also change the data and ultimately delete it from the system once it's no longer for sale. And for that, we have to make sure that the API can accept create, edit, and delete requests. And of course, changes must be reflected in the database. Additionally, we have add security as the second user story, second epic user story. And basically, we want only the owner of the property to be able to edit it or delete it, of course, because we don't want any user just having, admin-like powers in the site. And then we also want only logged in users to create properties to prevent anonymous users from flooding the system with fake properties, let's say. And for that, we need to make sure that any logged in user can create properties. Only the owner of the property should be able to edit or delete the listing, of course. And no logged out user, that's a mistake here. No logged out user can create a property regardless of which method they use. So even though they may not use the front-end application, the API should not accept any request from in any way that allows a user to create a property. So that's it for the two epic user stories. And then we also have the starting user stories that we came up with for Sprint 2. And we're going to be working on the create action, the forms for the create action. We're also just going to work on some of that security in the add security section for epic user story. So only logged in users can create a property rather. And then of course we're going to have some user interface work as well. And that's everything we have for Sprint 2. Thanks for watching.